Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another barbecue video. Today I'm gonna show you how to level up much faster, get those skill points, and get all the resources the game has to offer. So, the first thing you have to do when you open up your barbecue game is go ahead and click your icon up there at the upper upper left corner of the screen. There we go. First thing you have to do is to bind the account. So you can bind an account to Facebook or Google Play. It's up to you where you want to bind it. Now, you want to do this for two reasons. One, it saves your progress, obviously. And two, it gives you rewards the first time you bind your account. So you get either gems, gold, or Hallushrooms. Let's keep going. So, that's it. You bind your account, you're all set and done. After you bind your account, you want to check your mail. Once you've completed a task or an achievement, you can go to your mail and claim your rewards too. So you can get rewards from achievements. You can check those in your mail. Now look at the right side of the screen. Tap the sign in. So as you can see, you can get rewards from the daily logins. You can see very well what resources you're gonna get for free just for signing in. Now you can get resources too from checking your... Now going to events. Multiple resources for completing event tasks, daily tasks, team up events, bounty events, and quest events. You can get gold, Hallushrooms, and gems from that. So you can get gold, Hallushrooms, and gems from those events. Now there are two additional ways in getting resources too. One is daily first win reward. So you go into barbecue arena, get your first win of the day, basically win a match. The daily first reward is gold and BarbarQ's huge gift, which contains more gold and maybe souls. Now daily first win rewards, you can only get them once a day. Now next we have barbecue arena chest. Barbecue arena chest requires key. You get one key if you rank 1 or 2 in the barbecue arena. Once you get all 3 keys, you can unlock the chest. Now the chest, you can only unlock 3 chests per day, so 1 daily first win reward once per day and 3 barbecue arena chests per day. The other method is going to free gem. You can watch a video for 10 gems. After watching a video, there will be a 10-minute interval. Now you can watch a video 5 times per day, so that equates to 50 gems per day. You can also use Facebook share to get gems. So every share gets you 10 gems, again with a 10-minute interval. So share 10 gems. You can do this up to 5 times, equals to 50 gems again. If you do this, you get 100 gems per day. Now as the season ends, you'll be rewarded accordingly to what your rank is. So 1 month is the duration of 1 season, and after that your rank will reset to bronze 2 again. Now let's get to leveling up your barbarian, or how to level faster. Now the reason I mentioned how to get gems, golds, and Hallushrooms, well, gold specifically, because gold is the currency you need to level up, pretty much. So the way you level up is go to collections. Once you merge or buy anything in the collection, that will give you experience points, which then gets you to level up. So the more golds you have, the faster you can level up. So that's why you need to grind through the events in order for you to accumulate more gold, spend it on the collection, and in turn level you up much faster. So next we have is the skill point. Now you're wondering why I have 1 skill point. That's because we just level up. Every time you level up, your barbarian gets 1 skill point. So the more you level up, the more skill points you get. So for now, we're gonna upgrade Weapon Master. Okay, so that's all good and dandy. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all the tips I have that I know of for now. And as for the souls, you know, the puzzle-like thingy. As for the souls or fragments, you want to call it fragments or souls basically, you can get those from events too, from the rewards that you get from completing certain task events and daily rewards. You can see it there, just scroll through it. And I really want to keep this video short and precise as possible, because I'm not really feeling that well, so I can't play more barbecue tonight. But hopefully I've helped some of you guys who are kind of confused about how to get these currencies in the game, or just being overwhelmed by the UI. You don't know where to click or something. But yeah, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I'll be uploading more videos on barbecue, and I'll see you guys in the next video.